In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Hostinger hosting. Whether you're setting up a new website or transferring an existing one, connecting your domain to your hosting service is a crucial step. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, begin by heading over to Hostinger's website. Make sure you're logged in so you can access all the necessary features. Once you're in, look for the option labeled Manage. This option allows you to control and configure your hosting account, which is exactly what we need for this setup. Next, click on Website. This section is where you can manage all your domain settings and configure new sites. Look for the Add Website option and click on it. Adding a new website will let you associate your newly purchased domain with your hosting account. In the options available, you'll see Other, which you'll need to select, followed by clicking Skip. This skips the initial configuration step that might not be applicable in this case. Now click on Use Existing Domain. This is crucial because you already own a domain that you're connecting today. When prompted, type in your domain name into the text field. Make sure to enter it accurately to prevent any connection issues later. Open a new tab and go to the GoDaddy website where you have purchased your domain. Find the domain you want to connect, then copy it to your clipboard. Return to the Hostinger platform and paste your domain into the provided field. After pasting, click Continue. This step will initiate the process of linking your domain to Hostinger. The next crucial step involves changing your name servers to match those provided by Hostinger. On the Hostinger dashboard, copy the name server information displayed. Now go back to GoDaddy. In your GoDaddy account, click on DNS to access the domain settings. You'll need to scroll down until you find the section titled Name Servers. Here, you should see an option to change the name servers. Click on it, and then paste the name server information you copied from Hostinger. This change directs your domain to your Hostinger-hosted website. It's a key step in the process. Make sure to save or confirm your settings on GoDaddy by clicking Continue. This completes the connection process, linking your domain with your hosting service. Remember, any DNS updates might take some time to propagate, usually within 48 hours, so be patient. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact support on either platform for more assistance. And there you have it, a successfully connected GoDaddy domain to your Hostinger hosting.